hole in the wall at Dartside. I have to put a sticker at it.
There it is. We left our mark, buddy. Right here. We left our mark at Dartside. Sorry, guys, but you've been awesome. What up, everybody? Today is Milo's birthday, the actual day of Milo's birthday, and conditions are really wet outside. There has been some snow, but some of it's freezing rain, so we decided to push our snowboarding off till tomorrow, so you're about to see that. So we decided to come over here to the Layton Hills Mall. Our friend Jeremy, who we met at CVX Live last summer here in Utah, runs this place called Dartside, and inside there's all kinds of crazy dart battles going on. Plus he's got a hoverboard racetrack and a hoverboard scooter cart racetrack. This is crazy. I've never seen this before. But you take a hoverboard and you like put it on like a scooter thing, and then you got these you just got to see it. And then we've been doing RC cars with VR cameras in there, hanging out with his kids and doing all kinds of crazy fun dart battles. This is the best place to go if you're into Nerf battles. Hands down, I've never seen anything like it. So come on inside, check it out. So we've got a hoverboard on a cart. I've never seen this before.
Right, so and this is something that just recently, they actually had a couple of these come out across the board. So the curveball is you can get some pretty quick speed with this, okay? And you can go backwards and forwards. Which direction are we going? Not some trouble. Thank you. I know, you're all grown up today, right? Hey, happy birthday, man. Awesome. Well, and now here it's on steroids, so it's going to be one of those where... Oh!
We gotta rush him, okay? You ready for this move? Come on, Milo, let's get him. Over here, bud. Come on. Hey, Milo!
I got this guy on his butt. I went into this little corner and I shook his butt on your team.
Like this?
Like his butt.
His butt. You grow up in this place. You must be the best dart player there is.
I am. I'm the best dart player ever.
Ever. Your dad owns and runs this place?
Yes.
Yes. How many times have you been shot?
Like today?
Yeah. No, ever.
Like a million and 20. Yeah, a million and 20.
A million and 20, easy, right?
Yeah.
It doesn't sound like you're really actually that good. So
Yeah.
what's your name? What's your YouTube channel?
Kmon the Great. Go follow. The link is down below.
But yeah, came on the great. I do gaming videos, Fortnite, Star Wars, and yeah.
Yeah, tell us about Dartside. What is this?
A Nerf arena where you get to use these guns and shoot little kids, or not little kids, but you get to.
Yes, we get to shoot little
yeah,
kids.
like
Lots.
okay.
It's the way you can legitimately shoot little kids like these guys.
See, like you load it and you shoot.
I'm gonna get these kids.
Hey guys, we love Dartside! Like that?
Oh, that was awesome, guys. That's so much fun. Milo had a blast in there. We did a lot of darts. And this is the YouTuber's wall. And here we are. Here's our gun. The Planet Milo gun right there. There's our sticker and our logo. And we're up here with Family Fun Pack. You can see them right there. They were here. And look at this. All the best days ever from Honduras, right? So we got best day ever 560. Best day ever 468. Best day ever 483, best day ever 675, and of course the whole space station crew's been here. So, and there's a shot of the current space station crew. Looks like they've been here recently. It's epic, absolutely epic, and we, Planet Milo, is on the wall. We share the wall with the rest of these YouTubers. We're so excited, so lucky. So there's a link in the description down below this video. So if you're ever in the Ogden area, check out Dartside. And also don't forget to subscribe to their YouTube channel. Check it out. If you guys ever come to Utah, this guy right here, Jeremy, is the best. He's treated us like royalty. Thank you so much.
Guns a-blazing, causing trouble. 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 Guns a-blazing, causing trouble.